Hello everybody. We are trying to fix the server. We're having some issues with the server at the moment and we are trying to get it working because frankly we'd like to get our server doing what it should be doing rather than causing us problems. So what we're going to do is we are trying to get a server working here, and we have some folks who are keeping an eye on stuff for us, and they had some good suggestions. But I have I don't know if I can make this bigger here. Let's see if I can make this bigger. Bigger. Bigger, 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 bigger. There you go. Good morning. We are trying to fix the server. Now, for those of you who've been keeping an idea of what's been going on here, so I have entered loads of commands, and I've got NFS. God, that was nearly not safe for work. Woo! Woo! Getting that running. And I've turned off the file system, the SMB, and trying to get that work. Okay, so we have all of that working. We have all of, so this is my NFS setting here, but if I try and make a file server, if I try and mount my network share, which you see here, it disconnects. So I'm hoping all you Linux experts will be able to help me here. I'm not a Linux expert. Good afternoon to Germany. Guten Abend. Then, for some reason, we are not getting a good network connection here. So, you see, I don't know if you saw that. Do you see that? Why is that happening, people? Why is that happening? I've got all of my my thing here. I mean, I suppose maybe if I change this to no secure. What's the command for that? Is it non-secure or is it no secure? I think it's no secure. Let me double check. I have the internet in my pocket. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for. I think I have no secure. I think that's what I need. Let's see. So, NFS. Well, okay, so if I go like here, right? Where is it? There you go. I'm exporting all of my shares. So this is my server, right? On my internal network. And I can see all of the, these are the shares that I just set up. You can see them in the left window there, right? I've also opened up my my firewall. So I should be able to see that. But if I mount this here, sometimes it will mount. Then it will say connection failed. it sees the share, but then it doesn't load it. And I can definitely ping the server. Look. I think this is why we didn't use NFS last time, is because it just, look, there you go, disconnected. So I don't know if anyone has any ideas. Who has access rights to share? Well, I made so we see I made Enterprise a 777, and you'll see here no roots, squash. Ooh, is that what the problem is? I wonder. Maybe that's what the problem is. In the past, when I've tried to chown it, it's actually kicked people off completely. I mean, I can show you. Okay. I mean, sorry, I just had to follow somebody else. So there you go. So I am not a happy. Oh, you know what? Let's be really simple here. Just trying something here. Just give me 30 seconds. I know you're just giving me grief just because, but I haven't done it. Need to do sudo sport r. Okay. And then I can go to here and I go. All right, so I just created a brand new share, right? I created a brand new share. The reason being, okay. So let's see if this file system is still running, if it's still happy. Let's see. Let's copy something over. Oh, it's not rewrite, that's for sure. You see I've got no rewrite there. So that's the first problem. So what did I do wrong? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. No subtree. Ooh, that's not good. Okay. All right. So those are the file permissions for... All right. Oh, I suck at this. Okay. All right. Does your user have... Oh, look, I created a file called hello. All right. And I can copy off. Cool. Excellent, so it's a read-write problem. So I need to find the man page, which is not something you'll hear me say very often. I need a man! No. Is it man exports? There we go. All right, so I'm going to add in here sec is none, because this is on a local network. All right. I mean, if you're not going to work that way, then that's fine. Actually, what am I doing? What? It's not Unmount, is it? I know just about enough to be dangerous, but not enough to get rid of stuff. I thought that's what I did. Unmount. Okay. Really? Oh, it's Unmount. What do you mean it's currently not and currently not? Is he a ghost in the system or something? What's that all about? Fine. Test failed with 13. What? No, rewrite are all of them. See, the problem is with this, guys, is that for the hours I spend trying to fix this is why we ended up with Samba working for such a long time, is because, or not working, is because it was just freaking frustrating when things didn't work. Really? I don't think those of you who were telling me to change servers... Okay, I'm going to have a little rant now. Rant coming up. So I don't think those of you who are watching who go, oh yeah, you should just change the file system, really understand. This is an enterprise solution, and I'm doing an enterprise solution on the cheap, and I'm doing an enterprise solution on my own because we don't have a huge amount of money. And, you know, Transport Evolved, we do need a big server because we have literally terabytes of video information. And at this point, I have to choose between affordability and sustainability and everything else. Yeah, but FreeNAS does not serve our needs. I think that's what people forget, is that, you know, FreeNAS does not serve our needs. It's not fast enough, and it doesn't have the throughput that we need for the video editing, and it's not scalable in the same way of the CentOS system that we're using right now. We add drives on a fairly regular basis to the system. Mac does not need an NS4 client. I guess I should probably find out which version of NFS I'm using. This says NFS 5. So let's go back to here. No, we already use EFS. But again, I think you're kind of missing the point here, because you are not. We already have a system that's up and running. It's not like we can't just delete all of the data and then recreate it on a new system. NFS v3. I wonder if that's the problem. Maybe this is the problem. Yeah, we're using... Yeah, you're right. Make sure that I am running the latest version. I am. All right, well, I'm going to just go and carry on looking at this then, because it will keep telling me. Oh, now it's telling me I don't have permission to see the contents. All right. Let's just relaunch that Finder and see if it will come back, because sometimes it gets confused. Does the new test share work? It wasn't working, and now I've pooched my machine, which is doop doop doo. Okay, right. Well, I've managed to screw the pooch on this one. Oh. And it's misbehaving itself now. My desktop has vanished, which is never a good start. All right, well, I'm going to have to kill this anyway, so I will I have to restart and see if I can get it working better later. One sec.